Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be discussing an exciting topic that can take your trading game to the next level. Now, precisely, we are going to be talking about a unique strategy known as the Triple RSI Trading Strategy. All right. So this is the strategy we are going to be talking about in this video. If you have been struggling to filter out false signals or pinpoint the best market entries and exits, this strategy might just be what you need. Okay, so you might want to grab a pen, take some notes and stick around because we are about to break it all down step by step. Now, first off, let's quickly recap what the RSI is. I'm going to start by adding the RSI to the chart and explain what it is. Now, the RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. Okay, typically traders use the RSI to determine if a market is overbought with levels above 70, as we can see here, or oversold with levels below 30. All right, now here's the kicker. Using a single RSI can sometimes give you mixed signals. Okay, so that's where the triple RSI strategy comes in. It uses 3 different RSI periods to refine your analysis and make more confident trading decisions. All right, now let us set up the triple RSI on our chart. For this example, we are going to be using 3 RSI indicators with periods 7, 14, and 21. Now, the default period is 14, so I'm going to be adding RSI values of 7 and 21. Okay, so this is the RSI value 7. Right, and I'm still going to add RSI value 21. Okay, so we have our RSI 14, our RSI 7, and our RSI 21. Right, okay, now once your RSIs are all set, align their overbought and oversold levels at 70 and 30 respectively. Okay, in case if your overbought and oversold zones are not all at 70 and 30, make sure that they are aligned. Okay, 70 30, 70 30, 70 30. All right, now this ensures consistency across all 3 indicators. So how do you use this setup? Here's the key. The first thing for you to do is to look for alignment between all 3 RSIs. Okay, when all 3 RSIs are above 70, when all 3 RSIs are above 70, it signals that the market is overbought, suggesting a potential reversal to the downside. Okay, so we need to find an example. We need to find an example where we had all 3 RSIs above the 70 level. Now, as we can see, it's happened here. As we can see, it happened here. This was the top of this swing, right? And we can see that the RSI 14 was in the overbought territory above 70. The RSI 7 in the overbought territory above 70, and the RSI 21 was also above 70 in the overbought territory. So once you have found this alignment, you can then look for a good sell opportunity right there. And we can see that we had a resistance zone around that point. So that would have been a great point to enter a sell set our stop loss above that resistance, and then we can target when the RSIs align in the oversold territory to exit our sell. Okay. Now, on the flip side, when all three RSIs drop below 30, it indicates oversold conditions, okay, hinting at a potential move upward. So let us just quickly check if we can find such example. We had one here. We can see around this support zone, we can see that the RSI 14 was in oversold, the RSI 7 was in oversold, and the RSI 21 was also in oversold. And guess what happened next? Well, you can see that for yourself. So whenever you enter a buy trade after the RSIs have aligned and oversold territory, you can go ahead and enter a buy trade after getting your confirmation, set your stop loss below the swing low, and then your take profit. You can decide to wait for the three RSIs to align in the overbought territory before exiting your buy trade. Now, let us talk about risk management. Okay, as traders, risk management is very necessary. Okay, while the Triple RSI strategy gives you powerful signals, it's crucial to pair it with stop loss and take profit levels. Okay, so make sure you always make use of your stop losses and your take profits. All right. Now, why should you consider using this strategy? The Triple RSI setup filters out noise, right? It reduces false signals and gives you a broader perspective of market momentum. Okay, so it's perfect for both day traders and swing traders looking to make more calculated decisions. Okay, so traders, that's the RSI strategy, the Triple RSI strategy. Actually, that's the Triple RSI strategy in a nutshell. Okay, whether you are new to trading or looking to refine your skills, this technique is a great addition to your toolbox. But remember, no strategy is foolproof. Okay, always backtest it and adapt it to your trading style before going live. Did you find this video helpful? If so, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more powerful trading strategies like this one. Also, drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I love hearing from you. Until next time, happy trading, and I hope to see you in the next video.